Welcome to the Seville Report's weekly wrap-up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. Let's get into it. On Monday, we saw the bulls buy the dip from last week, which resulted in the markets closing up 669 points. Some big movers in the rally were Amazon, which moved up 60 points. Apple moved up 8 points. Alphabet moved up 31 points. Netflix was up 19 points. Alibaba saw a 9-point gain. Nvidia was up 11 points. And Adobe was up 13 points. On Tuesday, the bears struck back and the market closed down 344 points. There were big losses all around. Twitter was down 12%, Nvidia was down 10%, Tesla down 9%, Shopify saw a 6% decrease, Facebook fell by 5%, Google was down 5%, Alibaba was down 5%, and Amazon was down 4%. One of the few stocks seeing a gain on Tuesday was GE. GE stock jumped 5% on speculation that Warren Buffett is looking to invest in the struggling conglomerate. On Wednesday, the market closed down 9 points. Stories that impacted the markets came from Nvidia, who suspended its automobile self-driving test after the news of a fatal accident involving a self-driving Uber vehicle. Nvidia's stock was down 4 points on the news. Tesla fell 7%, or 21 points in Wednesday's session. There's a lot of news coming out of Tesla this week, none of it good. The U.S. National Transportation Safety Board opened a field investigation of a fatal Tesla crash. There has been another production delay with the Model 3, and many on Wall Street are speculating that Tesla is close to bankruptcy. And finally, on Wednesday, Amazon fell 65 points, or 4%, on news that the president wants to go after the company by either changing Amazon's tax policy or with antitrust or competition laws. On Thursday, the market closed up 254 points. The big news of the day is Walmart is in talks with Humana to build a closer relationship or possible purchase of Humana shares. Humana shares rose 11% on the news. The markets were closed Friday for Good Friday. The markets overall traded sideways for the week. The S&P 500 closed the week at 2640. The Dow closed the week at 24,103 points. And the Nasdaq closed the week at 7,063 points. In crypto news, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin was trading in the $6,700 range. Litecoin was trading in the $116 range. Ethereum was trading in the $39 range. And Ripple was trading at 49 cents. Crude oil closed down for the week at $64.94 per barrel. A big winner for the week is Titan Machinery, TITN, which was up almost 23% over the past week. A big loser for the week, Longfin Corp, LFIN, which was down over 75% in the past week. In the race to $1 trillion market cap, Amazon ended the week at $700 billion, Apple ended the week at $851 billion, Google at $719 billion, and Microsoft at $702 billion. This quarter's The Seville Report is available at civilreport.com. If you're looking to start investing or just looking for new investment ideas, you should check it out. We take a look at 3 different companies. We look at the good, the bad, and the ugly. We explain why we think the companies are good long-term investments. You can find it at civilreport.com. Thank you for checking out the weekly wrap-up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure where or how to start. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment.